behavior until you get what you want. It means what? अभी हमारे जो unconscious mind level पे जो रहता है fixed belief रहता है. कभी कभी आपने सोचा होगा कि आप में से how many of you smoke? Please raise your hands. I won't tell. Everybody. Nobody is smoking, then it's a fantastic crowd. But I don't believe it. But I don't believe it. It's really? They're given up?
No.
They don't smoke.
All are senior citizens. No, so they are
Senior citizen. My dad expired at the age of 84. He was a chain smoker.
Oh my God.
कभी कभी आदमी लोग सिगरेट क्यों पीते हैं? कभी टेंशन से दूर रखने के लिए, कभी खुशियां मनाने के लिए. उसको कोई नहीं देती है. Anyway, I'm very glad. Okay, or forget about that. Any habit that is formed in us, हमको पता है कि हम वो गलत कर रहे हैं, उसको हम लोग सुधारने का कोशिश करते हैं. बट हम लोग ना अंदर तक जाके जान के उसका ये नहीं करते. हम ऑटोमेटिकली वही बिहेवियर पैटर्न रिपीट करते हैं. I'm not targeting you audience, I'm just talking in general now. Sometimes क्या होता है, there are people who sometimes they just keep on telling lies. They are called as compulsive liars. इनको पता है खुद झूठ बोल रहे हैं, उनको ये भी पता है कि सामने वालों को समझ आता है मैं झूठ बोल रहा हूँ, फिर भी झूठ बोलते हैं. क्यों? वो तो साइकियाट्रिक डिसऑर्डर है, वो मानती हूँ मैं. बट इसके लिए एक वजह होती है कि वो चाइल्डहुड में पैटर्न सेट हुआ रहता है, which we don't even come to know why we are doing that. So NLP helps you to tap those things, where is the problem, and tackle it, and then come out with the solution. So, okay, this point, in fact, I have already discussed. People often focus on what they don't want rather than what they want, and engage on doing and avoid not doing. In the sense, what even in a team. अभी हम लोग corporate office का बात करेंगे. Even in the team. अरे मुझे कोई भी बंदी चलेगी लेकिन ये बंदी नहीं चलेगी, वो तो काम ही नहीं करती है. I just don't want. She's a pain in neck. See how we are talking. See, if you have a strong team of 10 people who are very good, the 11th member, however erratic, they have to improve. We should have that mentality. Okay, anything you can relate it to anything, not just workplace or anything. Even घर में भी वो मेड आती है, ये मेड तो इतनी रफ तरह से बात करती है, इसको मेरे सामने आने को मत बोल. यहाँ तक हम लोग जाते हैं. But then why have you employed? So you check her out, put another maid. Or even about the organization. क्या यार इधर तो काम करना ही बेकार है, ये लोग ऐसे ही है, ये मुझे सुनते ही नहीं है. Then I just ask simple question. Then why the hell are you here? कनपट्टी पे कोई गन रख के तो नहीं रुका है ना कि भाई तू इधर ही रहे और पूरा सहन कर ले, तो कोई नहीं बोला है. So this is how the pattern of behavior, because we always focus on negativity. We always focus on negative feeling, what we don't want in life rather than what we want in life. So that is the first thing what you have to change. And if you decide to change, then you have to develop a procedure, evidence procedure measure, and measure your progress. Now, हर टाइम मैं अभी सुधारने का कोशिश कर रही हूँ, मेरा लगातार कोशिश जारी है. आपको अपने आप का सक्सेस कितना तक हुआ है आप ही मेजर कर सकते हो. एक वो कहावत है ना, हम लोग दुनिया में सबको बेवकूफ बना सकते हैं, अपने माँ बाप को या कोई भी बोलो, आप भगवान को भी यहाँ तक हम बेवकूफ बनाते हैं. हम कोई गलती करते हैं, उधर जाके उसको 500 रुपए डालते हैं, तुमको मालूम है ना मैंने ये क्यों किया, मैं सॉरी, लेकिन मेरा कंडीशन ऐसा था इसलिए मैंने ऐसा किया, नहीं तो मैं बहुत अच्छी हूँ. सी हम लोग भगवान को भी टोपी पहनाते हैं, but what actually nobody can deny is your own self. आपका जो है अंतरात्मा जो है उसको पता है कि आप कौन सी खेत की मूली हो, आप कितने अच्छे हो, आप कितने खराब हो. तो इसके लिए what becomes important is first try to look into your own self. Okay, understand your own self, and once you decide that, then you have to measure your progress. अगर मैंने कोई भी करने का ठान लिया है तो मैंने आज क्या किया उसके लिए, इसको बोलते हैं रिफ्लेक्शन. मैं लास्ट में बोलूंगी आपको हाउ टू रिफ्लेक्ट एंड ऑल. So just think over what is my progress. Unless you measure your progress, you cannot proceed further in life. Then the desired state must be sensory specific. You must not be able to sound like, feel like. See what I am talking about this is, suppose you always want to remain happy. What NLP teaches, when I take the session, I tell people, okay, you think of a situation where you were very, very happy. When was it? It may be the first bicycle your father got for you and that made you so happy. आजकल तो दुनिया में हैप्पीनेस थोड़ा रेयर है. आपको कुछ भी देने दो, कोई यार इतना ही है क्या? ये क्या है? Okay, fine. This is our mentality today. But you know, as a child, at an innocent level, even getting one bicycle or you know getting one dress on your birthday, it would have been a great thing. So what we tell is like, you know, I take them to a level, I tell them, okay, go back to that situation. Imagine what were your feelings? I was happy. It's a very flat statement. If you were happy, what were the changes you could experience in your body? आपको कैसा लगा था तभी? ऐसे लगा कि मैं नाच लूं, ऐसे लगा था कि मैं जोर से चिल्लाऊं, ऐसे लगा था कि मैं पूरा दिन हंसता रहा, गाना गुनगुनाता रहा. So you have to refer to your feelings and try to relive that feeling. So next when I talk about anchoring, I will expand on that. So that is what I mean by referring to your feelings. Then the outcome must be initiated and maintained. See, one thing I'll tell you, दुनिया को तो हम नहीं बदला सकते हैं, हम अपने आप में बदलना है. Okay? So if we want to change, if we cannot change the world, we have to change ourselves and we have to keep in mind. Suppose I try one trick. Suppose let's say ex-employee of mine always comes in a foul mood and starts talking in a very angry way. Even if I say, I'll tell you what, sometimes what happens, like professors or whatever, they come late, but I'm not asking them. One day my watch was not working properly or I just wanted to know the time. So सामने से बंदा आया तो I asked him, what's the time, sir? Ma'am, every day I'm coming on time and today only there was a problem and my car couldn't move. भैया मैंने पूछा ही नहीं है, मैंने क्या पूछा आपको टाइम क्या है? अब मेरा वॉच देख लो, एक कम पड़ा है. This is again guilty conscience because you know you're late. You know this is your expectation. See, today, very simple thing. Coming to this place, if I think that, I don't know how cynical the people are going to be. They might make faces, and some of them may go off to sleep, some of them may leave the room, some of them may just close their eyes and sit back. If I come with this negative attitude, I am going to find and locate that. I never think that. I always feel I am going to do a fabulous job and my audience are going to enjoy. That's how I come. So this is how internally we have to start changing. If one strategy doesn't work, you have to try another strategy. Okay? So manipulation behavior is not going to help. Why? Because all these things are going to affect your health. That's why I'm touching on all the psychological aspects. Sometimes manipulation goes to such an extent. Young family, husband and wife and a child. Child knows, the mother knows that child doesn't like bhindi ka bhaji. So she will prepare bhindi ka bhaji because she didn't have time. She's a working mother. She prepared. And the child kicks a tantrum, teenager. Mama, you know that I don't like this, and why have you still prepared it? Your papa wanted it. Father looks. When I asked for it, but he cannot say anything. This is how we start, persecution and victimization. So very simple things also we play these games. So this has to stop first. So try to be honest with yourself and your feelings, and then you can better yourself. Next. Okay. Now we talk about sensory awareness. Now, have you observed something? If you talk to somebody, even if it is your wife at home. अरे सुबह से मैं बोल रहा हूँ नाश्ता नहीं किया तूने चाय भी नहीं बनाया उठ के मैं आधा घंटा हो गया. How is she going to reply? No darling, I'm just preparing. Is she going to reply like that? She will also say, what do you think I am doing? I am also doing the work only. Today the maid has not come. See, you induce that behavior in people. So instead of that, you just quietly ask her, I think I need a cup of tea. Can you make? She will. वो भी बहुत प्यार से बोलेगी. नहीं आप चिंता मत करो 2 मिनट तो मैं करके दूंगी आज काम वाली नहीं आई है. See, this is how behavior induces behavior. So actually, if you observe, whatever rate you are breathing, the other person starts breathing the same way after some time. And especially in a very close-knit family circle, children of course imitate all the elders. Even in husband and wife, sometimes they say, after years of togetherness, after 20-25 years, they both behave the same like brother and sister. They talk like that. Have you heard this? Why? This is a behavior-induced behavior. And even the facial features change sometimes. Because constantly you are with a person, constantly you are trying to copy. So you have to model your behavior So it induces the other's behavior. So that is what I call it as sensory awareness. So changing behavior becomes very important. If you want, it's a very simple phenomena. आपको दूसरों से इज्जत चाहिए तो पहले आप इज्जत देना सीखो. And all these things are told. I'm not telling anything new. I'm just creating an awareness where we go wrong and all. But you know, when I take one-to-one sessions and all that, people say, "Madam, हमको भी पता है, we do that." But क्या करूँ? मेरा ना BP है, short temperedness होता है. I said BP है, short temperedness. ये किस इसमें लिखावट है? आप मुझे बता सकते हो? नहीं, आपको हो तो आप सभी को पूछो. मुझे मालूम है, मैं ऐसा चिल्ला के बात नहीं करने का मेरे बीबी से. One couple had come after 40 years of marriage. They wanted to go for divorce. वो बीबी भी बोल रही थी अब भी बस हो गया मुझे इस आदमी से, मेरा सब बच्चों का शादी वादी हो गया, मुझे इस बुढ़े से कुछ नहीं करना है. तो मैंने बोला मैडम आप भी जवान नहीं हो, सोच के डिसीजन लिया करें. यू नो, अच्छा यंग एज में कुछ है तो चलता है, अभी इसको छोड़ के आजकल तो दुनिया चला है, बट दैट डजंट वर्क, दैट डजंट गिव हैप्पीनेस. So that's how behavior induces behavior, and changing the behavior depends on us. So if you want, time for action is now. Whatever you want to decide, you have to decide it now. You can't just procrastinate. So for this, what is required? You must learn to change the way you think. Okay? So patterns to modify your feelings and intensify your feelings to change the physiology, and talk about it. Now what does it mean? Like, you know, suppose you just imagine you all are seated here. Suddenly a cobra appears in front of you. So what are you going to do? Either if you are, you know, like okay, मैं तो खेती बाड़ी का हूँ, मैं बराबर इसको करूँगा, तो कहीं पे आप क्लब ढूंढने में उसको मारने का कोशिश करोगे, या तो आप एकदम थरथराने लगोगे, आपका बीपी बढ़ेगा, आपका ये होगा. So why? This is the instant reaction, the physiology reaction. Now how this physiology reaction is created? Because of your eyesight, the sensory perception. So your mind gets the signal, danger, hey, cobra is coming, it's very poisonous, and you learned in your elementary school, and see, if it bites you, you are gone. So with that feeling and fear, you start reacting. So this is how the entire physiology depends on your mental mode and mental thinking. So for this, what we do is, we make you practice visualization. Whatever your fears and phobias, all those fears and phobias can be removed. And if you talk, mind is very, very powerful weapon. See, for example, you think, actually who came on the earth, all the gadgets और इंसान आया कि बाकी सारी चीज आए, पहले तो इंसान आया, बराबर? So सब कुछ जो हुआ है माइंड में, उसका जेनेसिस माइंड में होता है, उसका उत्पत्ति अपने दिमाग में होती है, चाहे अच्छा हो चाहे बुरा हो. Okay, anything like right from aeroplane or aircraft or computer, whatever you name and whatever you take, everything begins with your mind. So mind is also, you know, for you salvation as well as your bandhan. So they say in Sanskrit, manayeva manushanam karanam bandha mokshayoho. It means it can hold you to binding, it can release you also. So mind is a very powerful weapon. Now you call it mind or a brain, whatever your choice. But we use, they say, actually I have taken this from some source, so they say 10%. But believe me, we don't use more than 3 or 4% of our brain. Even the best of the scientists or best of the people, achievers, even Bill Gates must not have used more than 4 or 5% of brain. So you can imagine the potency of mind or potent power of mind and how powerful it could be and what all you can achieve with that. Okay? So, techniques what we practice in NLP that allows you to explore your mind so that you access the inherent excellence. So, everybody, see, Swami Vivekananda has told, actually every child, means every human, let me put it that way, is born with some innate capability. Okay? Only thing is we need a facilitator, we need somebody to trigger that, and then the child will blossom or human will blossom. Okay? If Newton discovered laws of motion, उसको कोई माँ के पेट से सीख के तो नहीं आया था, एक दिन एप्पल गिरेगा भैया तभी बोलना ग्रेविटेशन की वजह से नहीं आया था. See, what is that creativity? And before Newton किसी ने नहीं देखा था क्या? सब लोगों ने देखा था. एप्पल तो सब लोग तोड़ के खाते थे. वो कोई भी फल होता है तो नीचे गिरता है, वो सबको मालूम है. बट किसी को भी स्ट्राइक नहीं हो गया. That moment of awareness came for Newton. वो सोचने लगा, अरे ये आता है तो फल जो है वो नीचे क्यों गिरता है, ऊपर क्यों नहीं जाता है? You know, that led to discover discovery of gravitational force. So what I'm trying to say is creativity is there in everybody, and it only